Welcome to digisecure, your trusted partner for complete digital solutions and reliable security services. In today's fast-moving world, your business deserves more than just an online presence. It deserves professional design, secure technology, and smart marketing, all under one roof. At digisecure, we make that happen. We are a team of passionate developers, creative designers, IT experts, marketers, and security professionals working together to help your business grow, succeed, and stay protected. Our services include checkmark web development, modern, responsive websites built to showcase your brand, graphic designing, creative logos, brand identity, and marketing materials, SEO, improving your search rankings to attract more customers, security surveillance, smart CCTV, access control and alarm systems, IT and networking, reliable networks, servers, and cybersecurity solutions, social media marketing, strategic content and campaigns to grow your brand. With digisecure, you don't need to manage different agencies. We provide everything your business needs in one place with one dedicated team. Our websites aren't just beautiful, they're secure, fast, and designed to help your business grow. Whether you're launching a new website or upgrading your existing one, our web development team delivers results you can trust. Your brand matters. Our graphic designers help you make a strong first impression with professional logos, business cards, brochures, social media graphics, and more. With our SEO experts, your website ranks higher on search engines like Google, so your customers find you faster, more traffic, more leads, more growth. We also understand the importance of security. Our security surveillance services help protect your offices, homes, and properties with smart cameras, alarm systems, and remote monitoring. And behind every successful business is a reliable IT setup. Our team provides network installation, server management, cybersecurity, and IT support to keep your business running smoothly. Finally, we help your business stand out online with social media marketing, creating content, managing your accounts, and running paid campaigns that drive real results. At digisecure, we believe in three key principles: design, develop, defend. We design powerful brands. We develop innovative, secure digital solutions. And we defend your business, both online and offline. If you're ready to grow your business, build a stronger brand, and stay protected, digisecure is here to help.